Hi there, thanks for joining me again. Scott from Wessex Blades here. Just come back from the Sharp show last weekend, which is the UK sort of blade show for handmade knife makers and all the suppliers, the handles and the machines and the resins and the bits of steel and everything. And it was like the third show I'd done with some strops. Now, for the maintenance of not necessarily blades that I've sold, but for everybody else's pen knives, and a strop to help you maintain your blade. Over the summer I had come up with two simple designs. So we had a sort of pocket strop, so something that would go in a pocket when you're out and about. A pack strop, so if you were away for a weekend, it goes in a pack. And then for the recent show I did not only large pack strops, I had half a dozen of the, you would say, classic paddle strops. So we're looking at the same thickness of material, decent 18mm ply, but with that handle on as well. And these sold really well. When you come back and you sort of break down what went well and what was really successful, and these were, and of course I am going through, it's because of the handle, I would say, and it gives you something tactile when you're doing something by hand. So the handle obviously is a winner. So my brain, why would I have a handle like that? I thought, why don't I put a handle on the strop? So I came up with a handle on the strop to make it handle on the strop, so it would look like that. But I thought, well, why not just go like that? So you have a Leuku shaped strop. Functionally it's just the same. Really nice in hand. Really nice in hand. And you end up just can't take your hands off of it. So I thought, well, what would be more suitable would be not quite so much of a point at the front in terms of design. And so I made a couple of Hunglas Artac 2 Bowie sized survival knife strops. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're great. So I will be making these every now and again to stock things up and obviously offer them alongside the knives that I'm selling. Just basically some funky bits on the stall. There's not just knives, there'll be ferro rods, there'll be these, there'll be those, there'll be little sort of pack strops and the sweet little pocket strops. You'll be surprised how useful they are. So leave with your thoughts. As far as I can tell on internet with searches of knife shaped leather strops in the shapes of knives, I can't find anything. I've done a couple of videos just to put my design and my date out on it, but give it a few weeks, maybe someone else will start doing it. It's just the way it is, isn't it? I can't afford trademarks and stuff. So anyway, I'm doing this as a dated, like I come up with this. As far as I know, it's a new thing, but it's just more tactile, feels great in hand, more of a conversation piece outdoors on a stall. They're nice to hold. So anyway, that's Scott Wessex Blades, a bit more in-depth show and tell. You can see the evolution of it. I thought about putting a better handle on the paddle strops because they seem to be successful. So paddle strop handles, quite a plain looking handle like that. So I thought about putting one of those on. Whilst I was at it, I put the shape on. Whilst I was at it, I thought I'd get a bit more length because bigger's better. Anyway, Thanks for joining me again, Scott Wessex Blades with that. Yeah. Let me know your thoughts. Scott Wessex Blades out. See you on the next one. Oh, it's nice.